Yo, my name is Benjamin and this is the flow effect. A simple yet powerful effect that lets you animate other sections on your page in response to any interaction or interactive component. The best example of this is designing an accordion, one that can expand and collapse on click. These typically have rows with questions that are often set up like this. The primary variant is the expanded state, ensuring we can freely edit the layout without creating accidental overrides. And here we want height set to fit, whereas on the closed variant, we can set height to fixed. This in turn lets us animate out the answer without causing any layout jumps. The answer is a simple stack containing text. And within the closed variant, we also apply a blur effect onto this stack. And then we're preventing said layout jumps by only hiding the text or the question using opacity, not visibility. And we can even apply unique transitions to each of these layers. And of course, the parent stack here, which is just the variant itself, clips its content using overflow clip. Now, on the main page, we have each of these question instances in a stack. However, if we now give this a preview, the rows animate, but nothing else on our simple page here respects that transition. The rest of the page jumps instantly, which kind of breaks the illusion and leads to a lower fidelity feeling interaction. This is where our new flow effect comes in. I'll simply select my breakpoint, head over to the effects panel, and this will now give me the option to add a flow effect. This is a super simple effect, and all it really does is let the nested sections of this page animate along interactions like the accordion we just made. And we can customize the transition values it uses to do this. This would already work if our interactive component was directly placed within the breakpoint. But because I also have a stack wrapped around my questions in this setup, I will also add it to this stack, ensuring it animates along. In these cases, we will automatically grab the transition values from the page level effect and apply them as the defaults. And now, in just a few clicks, we've made all content on this page adapt beautifully to our interactive components, without having to resort to deeply nested components just to get other sections to animate along, leading to lighter pages that are much easier to customize. And soon we're also adding this effect to layout templates. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more updates coming soon.